So hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I am at Jambavli here, heading to Askurdi, which is in Someshwar temple under the water. I have already done those videos before because that time the dam was not empty because of too much water. At this time, in the month of May and June, the water gets little bit dried up there. So I'll try to show you the village out there. So if I got chance to show you something there, I'll do that. So if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then guys, let's do this. This is Colamba, next to the Riuda here. This road goes to the temple there in Kurdi village. So I'll take this road, and that's the main road there. Here, from that road I had to come. This road goes to Netule from here. So I'll go from here, this side. It's almost 3 kilometers from here. Okay guys, this is what happens here in forest area. See this, light wire has come down, and the way I at least see 7-8 trees have fallen here. So guys, this is the road here. This road goes to somewhere else, I don't know. Okay, some boys are coming from this side. This is the sign here. So this is the road here. This side. Now we have stones. A rocky road. Alright guys, from here it's a dam area. Salaulin Dam. Water must be coming from here, I think. Okay, let's go. I'm next to the dam here. Now, some boys have told me I can go there to the temple. So now I have seen something. This area here. This is maybe old houses. Long back, they have village over here because of dam. They have to shift to the Wade somewhere other side of this dam. I have already covered that area before, so we'll go there and check it out what we can see there. So there's the market area there. Now water is hard here, that's why we can see this. Dam is the other side, that side. I've been there before on previous episodes. Dam. That time water was too high, that's why I didn't come here. Yeah, I can see something there. It's a chapel maybe. From that side you can come also. And this road also there. So this is Tulsi pot here. You see this? This comes under water completely. You can see the marks there on the till there. Water comes there. You can see total marks there, and this is the house maybe. It comes under the water totally, and we can see some walls around here. Okay, we'll go and see other side as well. And this is the road that connects to the other side, and this road also comes under the water there completely, but right now there's no one here, only myself and one vehicle was there before. But people come to make a vacation here, they come and cook at this area at this time. But now nothing here. Okay, let's go other side there. Even this is the house here. You say this little bit of floor they have here. All this area has the houses here. In this area you can see that foundation, lot of foundation here. They have lots of villages around this area before. So total dam area is around 24 kilometers whole surrounding, and they have lots of villages in that. So I can see some things like a foundation on that. From their side I can see that area and some tulsis around that spot there. So they have something called river or something like that. Now this is what we can see here at this area. Lot of trees was underwater here. Okay, I'll go there at that place. Let's see what we can see there. And this comes totally underwater, this area, when it's in the rainy season. And you see this bridge here. There may be lots of videos on this area here in this place. So I'll show you some more pictures of other side there. Okay, this is what we have here. This comes underwater totally. This is the view. And this all the area is houses they have before. I can see this. Something was there before in this area. And that place also from that side. Around 40 years they have shifted from this village because of water level in the dam of Salavli there. Okay, my feet are going under the mud here because it's very soil is very soft here because of that. Okay, I am other side now. See this road, it comes underwater. I'm heading towards temple there. There's a lot of steps on that rock there to come down to the village, maybe something like that. There's a lot of tulsis in that area. I can see 2-3 tulsis there. Those places there. Okay, this is the steps here to come down. Okay, we'll go to see that tulsis around there. Okay, that's it. It's deep inside there, and that was the house there. Okay, I bought my bike here inside because I have to walk too much to the other side. And this is all houses, and this is the tulsi that I was talking from other side there. There's one more here. This is it. Road. Now you can see only 2 feet water is down from this road now, and you see this the level comes up to around 5 floors up from here. You can see the top there. It comes to the up to there, maybe more than that, I think so. Okay, let's go to the temple there, and that's the chapel there. there are lots of houses here. Broken. And this one also. And that's the dam area, Salauli entrance, first gate from Pepsi. It's that side there. Okay, we'll go that chapel there. So guys, the chapel here of this area. It's a little bit on the mountain here. The water doesn't come here, I think. The previous chapel was before here, I think so. So something has collapsed here. Maybe here. Okay, I'll go other side and see the temple there. Whether I can see it or I can go from the water there. Let's see. Okay, this is the houses here. Some boys are coming. Some people also coming, and this is the cross of this area here, of this village. You can't believe this area is around 24 kilometers in radius, full area. It's a huge one. Before I was that side, it's very long. And this is the one more house here. This comes under the water, but still it's standing after 40 years. It's unbelievable. All this place is the houses or something they had here before. Okay, we'll go to the temple there and see what we can see there. Other side. Okay, road is this side. So I'll go that side and check it out. And this is the place where I was here. Okay guys, and that's the temple there. Someshwar temple. I can go there from this because the water level is down there. I can go and visit. And this is the area. You can't believe this guy. This area is so big. In this 24 kilometers full length they have of this area. It's like I am standing in the middle of the sea here. Feels like something different. On the picture you won't be able to understand. When you come here, visiting month is after May to mid-June. Only 1 month maybe you get little bit extra to see here. They have something here. Okay guys, they have something like this here. This is what they have. But I talked to the local there. It's totally not open yet. After some days it will be open. Something more to see in that area as well. This is what we have to see here right now. Okay, this is Tulsi here, and this is also underwater. It comes underwater up to the level, I think, till here. So guys, welcome to the Kurdi and Salauli Dam in the month of May 20. So this is the Someshwar temple of this village here in Kurdi before. So it doesn't come under water, I think, because it's very high till the footsteps. Water comes up maybe. So this is the area of this place, guys. These villagers made sacrifice for their self to build the dam. 24 or something villages they had in this area. They have to shift to the Wade in other side on that area somewhere there on that mountain. If anybody watching me from this area, I would like to give thanks to them because of your guys have done sacrifice. That's why we have water in our home here. So I like to give thanks to those people because this area is very big. We cannot understand on the picture or something like that. When we come here, that time we can see properly what is here, what happened here before. Okay, I'll show you the temple there. Someshwar Prasann Kurdi Sangha. They have shifted this temple there. Okay, I'll just give something to the Lord here. I never came here before. Put something. Okay. Let everybody get blessed. Those who watch me on my channel. Those who never come this side before. Way goes to the river maybe before. I'll just go and see. You can see that there's a lot of tulsis around this area. This may be Hindu area and few of Christian. Even that house has a tulsi there because this is the temple area here. So there's the one more tulsi. Okay, I'll just wash my face in the water here. Let's see. This area. If you like this video, guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Upcoming videos. Okay, then I will end this video from here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.